Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to split a 3D model using the Slice Apart tool in FreeCAD. Let's get started. First, create a datum plane by referencing one of the main planes, such as the YZ plane. Next, switch to the Part workbench. Hold down the Control key on the keyboard, then select the body and the datum plane that we just created. Next, go to the Menu tab Part, then choose Split and click Slice Apart. The exploded slice folder will appear in the feature tree. You can also move the sliced parts by adjusting the position values in X, Y, and Z. That's how you can split a model using Slice Apart in FreeCAD. Thanks for watching.